Hi everybody, here we are again, and it's a Young's Harvest Barley wine, and we're here to talk about it. It's actually a kit and kilo, similar to the Muntons one. That's the label. It's also the same as the Muntons one, designed to be brewed to 24 pints somewhere. Yes. Top up to 3 gallons, in brackets 24 pints with cold water. Again, I didn't do that because I didn't want a 6% or whatever it says beer. Can't see where it says it, but yeah, it's another 6%er, 6% plus beer, brewed to 24 pints with a kilo of sugar. What I did, again, did 2 cans, brewed it to 40 pints, so it's again stronger than it. Flavour wise, it's stronger than it should be, but hey, it's less than 6%. So, what came in the kit? So I had 2 cans of pre-hopped malt extract and 10 grams of unspecified beer yeast that I didn't use because I reused my SO4 yeast as usual. Facts and figures. As I say, I used 2 cans. I didn't use any sugar. Brewed it to 40 pints. Starting gravity was 1.050 at 19 degrees C, which is pretty high, but it's like a barley wine. Final gravity was 1.016, also quite high, but it's a barley wine, at 18 degrees C, so 1 degree difference, no need to mess with the figures really. So it gives an approximate ABV of 4.61956522% alcohol by volume. Cost of the kits was £17.95 each, which gives a total of £35.90, which is a bit pricey. Works out price per pint of 89.75 pence per pint. Cheaper than going to the pub. I've got hiccups. Excuse me. Right. So, let's have a look at it without any sort of talcum powder fingerprints. That is a very deep ruby smoke on the water colour. Smoke on the water, fire in the sky. I'm a lyricist. I'm not, I pinched it. Give you a flash with a torch. So it is, I'd say, crystal clear, but it's so dark, unless you look at it in the light, you can't see through it. You can get ahead. It quickly drops off, but it normally keeps about a cap. Certainly a ring. Definitely a ring. More like a cap. and produces some nice lacing on the glass. Nearly dived in for a drink. Oh, he's thirsty. Let's give it a sniff. Yeah, there's a fruity maltiness in there. Almost sherry notes. I don't think I've actually sniffed it before. I just drink it. I don't sniff it, I just drink. In plenitude. At 6.8%, it's a little bit, it's still a little bit, sorry, 4.8%. It's still a little bit up there. Was it 4.8? God damn. 4.6. So it's not bad. A little bit on the high side for me, but not bad. I'm on my third. So, yeah, a nice fruity nose. Sort of what you'd expect from a barley wine. Going for the taste. Up front there's a, yeah, it's mainly fruitiness going on. Sweetness, slight sweetness, and fruitiness. Slightly sherry, but also, what's that other flavour? There's another flavour in there. So you've got those sherry notes, like grapes and sherry notes. Maybe apple. Could be pear. These are the subtle notes. Mainly it's a sweet sherry notish. Sherry notish. Going all Sean Connery again. But there's also a gentle bittering that goes with a dark, malty, chocolate, almost coffee flavour. So it dies off. The fruitiness dies off a bit and you're left with dark chocolate. Almost coffee. But not coffee, otherwise I wouldn't like it. I would like it. If it's in moderation. If it's straight in your face coffee, no, thank you very much. If there's a touch of coffee to it, it's not bad. Probably not my favourite, but not bad. But that has a good flavour throughout. I would say it's rivaling a pedigree. Not pedigree. Not pedigree. Don't be a dick. What is it? It's the Thixton's one, isn't it? Old Peculiar. I would say it's rivaling an Old Peculiar, that. If anything, it's a little bit too sweet. Now, the previous one was too bitter. What the hell? I'm going to go buy a can of each, combine them, and see what that's like. The price is letting it down. It's It's knocking on 40 pounds because it's double can kit, which is normally about twice the price of a double can kit, but it's a barley wine. So I'm thinking, review wise, stars wise, it's expensive. It's definitely a 4-star. The price knocks it down a bit. If they were a bit cheaper, it'd be a 5-star. But that's a however much price per pint kit. Expensive. Doesn't quite make it to 5 stars. Mouth feels good though. Lots of flavour. No watery gaps. Dies down into a gentle bitterness. It's pretty good. Right. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Cheers. Bye.
Wake up.